Did you know some motorcycles come with built-in GPS, hidden riding modes, or even self-adjusting headlights, features most riders never even realize they have? Yep, modern bikes are packed with secret tech that can make your rides safer, smoother, and way more fun, but only if you know how to use them. In this video, we're revealing 10 hidden motorcycle features that most riders completely overlook. So buckle up, because once you learn these secrets, you'll never ride the same way again. Let's get into it. Number 1. Hill hold control. Ever found yourself at a red light on a steep hill, desperately juggling the clutch, brake, and throttle, hoping you don't roll backward into the car behind you? Hill hold control eliminates that stress completely. This brilliant feature automatically holds the brakes for a few seconds when you come to a stop on an incline, preventing your bike from rolling back. As soon as you start to accelerate, the system releases the brakes smoothly, allowing for a seamless takeoff without that nerve-wracking backward slide. This is a must-have for riders who deal with stop-and-go traffic in hilly areas, ride heavier bikes, or carry passengers. It not only makes uphill starts easier, but also boosts your confidence. No more panicking, fumbling with the brake and throttle at an intersection. If your motorcycle comes with hill hold control, start using it now and experience the difference. Number 2. Accessory mode. Ever wished you could power up your phone, GPS, or even heated grips without starting your engine? That's exactly what accessory mode is designed for. Found on many modern motorcycles, this underrated feature allows you to activate certain electrical components like USB chargers, Bluetooth systems, and even auxiliary lights without turning over the engine. Think of it as the motorcycle equivalent of the ACC mode in cars, letting you use essential features while the bike is parked. This is especially useful when you're on a long ride and need to check your navigation, charge devices at a rest stop, or listen to music while waiting. Instead of idling your engine and wasting fuel, accessory mode lets you use just enough battery power to keep things running without draining it completely. But here's the catch. Not every rider even knows this exists. Some bikes require you to turn the key slightly past the off position, while others have a dedicated setting in the menu. It's one of those small but game-changing features that makes life on two wheels a lot more convenient. Number 3. Adaptive headlights. If you're riding at night or through twisty mountain roads, adaptive headlights are a game changer. Unlike traditional headlights that stay fixed in one direction, these intelligent lights actually move based on your lean angle and speed. This means when you lean into a corner, the headlight pivots to illuminate where you're actually going, rather than just pointing straight ahead. This feature is a lifesaver, especially on dark, winding roads where standard headlights can leave you guessing what's around the bend. By automatically adjusting to your movement, adaptive headlights eliminate blind spots and improve visibility, making night riding safer and way more confidence-inspiring. And the best part? You don't have to do anything, it's all automatic. The system uses gyroscopes and sensors to detect your lean angle and adjust the lighting accordingly. Number 4. Electronic tire pressure monitors. Ever wondered if your tires are at the perfect pressure before hitting the road? Electronic tire pressure monitors, TPMS, take out all the guesswork. Instead of manually checking with a gauge or worse, realizing your tire is low while riding, these sensors constantly track your tire pressure in real time and display it right on your dashboard. Why is this a big deal? Riding with underinflated tires can reduce grip, increase wear, and even lead to dangerous blowouts, things no rider wants to experience. On the flip side, overinflated tires can make your ride harsh and reduce traction. With TPMS, you'll always know if your tires are in the sweet spot, helping you stay safer, improve handling, and even boost fuel efficiency. Many high-end motorcycles come with this feature, but if yours doesn't, aftermarket TPMS kits are available and easy to install. Number 5. Slipper clutch. This high-performance feature prevents the rear wheel from locking up or hopping during hard downshifts, keeping your ride smooth and stable, especially when entering corners at high speed. Here's how it works. When you downshift aggressively, engine braking can cause sudden deceleration and make the rear wheel skid. The slipper clutch automatically slips just enough to prevent that jolt, letting the wheel spin more freely and keeping the bike under control. It's especially useful for sport bike riders, track enthusiasts, and anyone who likes pushing their machine to the limit. Even if you don't ride aggressively, a slipper clutch reduces strain on your transmission, making shifts feel smoother and extending the life of your bike's internals. Many modern motorcycles come with this feature stock, but if yours doesn't, aftermarket options exist for many bikes. Number 6. Traction control systems. Ever twisted the throttle a little too hard on a wet road or loose gravel? That's where traction control systems come in. This feature is a lifesaver, literally. It constantly monitors the speed of your wheels and prevents excessive slip by adjusting power delivery when it detects a loss of traction. Whether you're accelerating hard out of a corner or riding on unpredictable surfaces, TCS keeps your bike planted and under control. Modern bikes use advanced sensors and ECU calculations to react in milliseconds, preventing wheel spin before you even notice it. Some high-end motorcycles even have adjustable traction control settings, letting you fine-tune the level of assistance based on road conditions or riding style. For newer riders, TCS provides extra confidence, reducing the chances of losing control due to an unexpected slip. For experienced riders, it's an extra safety net that allows for controlled, aggressive riding without the risk of high siding or losing grip. Number 7. Adjustable suspension. Adjustable suspension is the hidden gem that lets you fine-tune your ride for ultimate comfort and control. Whether you're cruising on the highway, carving through twisties, or hitting rough terrain, adjusting your suspension can completely transform how your bike handles. Many modern motorcycles come with adjustable preload, compression, and rebound damping, allowing you to customize the stiffness and responsiveness of your suspension. Need a smoother ride for long-distance touring? Soften it up. Want razor-sharp handling for aggressive riding? Crank it stiffer. Some high-end bikes even have electronically adjustable suspension, which automatically adapts based on speed, terrain, and riding mode. The best part? Most riders never even touch their suspension settings, meaning they could be riding a bike that's not optimized for their weight or riding style. Once you start tweaking it to match your needs, you'll unlock a whole new level of comfort, control, and performance, making every ride feel like it was built just for you. Number 8. Riding modes. Did you know your motorcycle might have multiple personalities hidden in plain sight? Riding modes let you instantly change how your bike behaves with the push of a button. Whether you're commuting in the rain, cruising on the highway, or pushing your limits on the track, switching modes can completely transform your riding experience. Most modern bikes come with at least 3 riding modes: rain, road, and sport, each adjusting throttle response, power delivery, and even traction control. In rain mode, power is dialed down, and traction control kicks in aggressively to prevent wheel spin. Sport mode, on the other hand, unleashes the full power of your bike with sharper throttle response and minimal electronic intervention. Some high-end motorcycles even have custom modes, allowing you to tweak settings like engine braking, wheelie control, and suspension stiffness. The beauty of riding modes? You don't have to be a pro to use them. With a simple switch, you can adapt your bike to the road conditions and your riding style, making your rides smoother, safer, and way more enjoyable. Number 9. Vehicle-to-vehicle communication. Imagine a world where motorcycles could talk to other vehicles on the road, warning you about sudden braking, blind spots, or even upcoming hazards before you see them. Well, that's not science fiction anymore. Vehicle-to-vehicle communication is already being tested and integrated into modern motorcycles. V2V technology works using wireless signals that allow motorcycles, cars, and even traffic systems to share real-time information. If a car ahead slams on its brakes, your bike could get an instant alert, giving you precious extra seconds to react. If another vehicle is approaching fast from a blind spot, your dashboard could flash a warning to prevent a potential accident. This tech is especially useful for group rides, letting riders stay connected and informed about sudden speed changes or obstacles ahead. Manufacturers like BMW, Honda, and Yamaha are already developing motorcycles with V2V capabilities, and as this technology grows, it could massively reduce accidents caused by poor visibility or sudden road changes. Number 10. Electronic throttle control. ETC is here to revolutionize how motorcycles respond to your wrist. Instead of relying on a mechanical cable to open the throttle, ETC uses sensors and a computer to deliver instant, precise power exactly when you need it. This technology improves throttle response, making acceleration smoother and more predictable. It also allows for advanced features like cruise control, riding modes, and even traction control adjustments. Want a softer throttle for wet roads? ETC can do that. Need an aggressive response for a spirited ride? It's just a setting away. Brands like Ducati, Yamaha, and BMW have been integrating ETC into their high-performance bikes for years, and now it's becoming standard across many models. Moreover, because there's no throttle cable to stretch or snap, maintenance is reduced, making your ride even more reliable.